Hey everyone, Shane here with CAD'S Detail and Ceramic Coating. I want to go over our ceramic coating that is used for boats and only for boats that have, of course, gel coat. Used on RVs also that have gel coat. This is different than a normal ceramic coating. Normal ceramic coating is an SiO2 product. You lay it down when it's nice and dry. You let it sit for about a minute, minute and a half, and then you wipe off the residue and you let it cure for about 6 to 12 hours. SiO3 coating, because we actually have to apply it in a wet format. Put the actual coating on the applicator while it is damp and then spread it out and then go right behind it and wipe off that residue before it soaks in too quickly and stays in that gel coat, giving it that really gloss perfection that you always want when you're dealing with ceramic coating. So today I'm going to show you how this is done. That way you have an idea of what to expect. This is your marine coating. This is from Nanopro. This is their SiO3 Nautilus coating. It is rated up to 2 years above the water line. So what I'm going to do here, we actually just finished correcting this whole entire boat. It had oxidation everywhere. We corrected it, polished it, and now it's ready for its new coating. UV ray protection from no more oxidation. It helps keep your boat very hydrophobic, meaning water does not stick to your boat anymore, and that way keeps it nice and clean. Water spotting stays to a minimum. A lot different than normal ceramic coating. You're like, well, what the heck? Why is it going wet? Well, gel coat's a whole different environment than clear coat. That's why we have to do it this way. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and lay it down same way like you would do a normal ceramic coating. There you have it. You can see the huge difference. Now it sits like a mirror. It's like a mirror now, very glossy on this one area. And it's gonna start hardening up over time, probably within the next 2 hours. But this is a phenomenal coating for your boats, saltwater, freshwater, you name it, anything on a boat, RVs also. Look no further than Nanopro, their Nautilus coating. Let us know how we can help you and your boat today. I hope you enjoy the video. I'll hopefully see you guys very soon. Take care.